was this inspection all about?
No, it's just part of our regular routine inspection. We have a lot of development estimates that need to be prepared, and part of it is this Rudorem road. A lot of the footpaths have been broken. A lot of the connecting drains need to be redone. So we're just walking around the city, checking to see what needs to be done.
So what do you have advised to your officials?
No, for the same now, people walking on this footpath. A lot of the, I mean, I don't know when this footpath was done, but a lot of the pavers have sunk in. Some of the railings need to be clean. Like opposite the Mala petrol pump, a lot of those pavers have sunk in. So we want to basically redo everything. So now we've asked them to prepare a lot of estimates. A lot of it is in process. The work should happen in the next couple of months, but it's just the final stages of.
So this is only as far as Ruadia or overall city you're talking about?
All over Panjim. I'm waiting for the smart city people to get out also now. It's been quite some time. Hopefully they should be done before the monsoon. Once they are done, we need to do one final check with all of the contractors to make sure that all of the work that they've done has been done properly. So a lot of their stuff has broken in some places. Now we need to get all of those things before the end of it.
As far as monsoon preparedness is concerned, how are you all gearing
Our
up?
our desilting work starts in the end of December, beginning of Jan.
Okay.
Now we are on schedule when it comes to all of that. We'll be prepared way before thing. Now I don't think they're doing the 18 June road smart city. So now
Any flooding area that you all have identified this
we
time?
have a list of around say 18 of them. Some are minor, some
Okay.
are things. I've asked all my engineers to go through all of them. As and when people have complaints, also we address them. Now I have to check and see with smart city now. Since they are not doing 18 June road, we have to check and see now how that work is going to affect our drainage network. So a lot of their drains they've diverted onto 18 June road. We have to check and see what has.
How are you taking care of the Pato area where you come inside? Because that has always been during rainy season flooding.
Yeah, so then that also now, see last year also we desilted. Now there was a normal amount of rain the last year. We are doing as much as we can right now. Whatever we cannot do, we are asking the PWD for help in terms of now if it's a major road that needs to, now there are some roads that have been hot mixed. We cannot break those roads. So we have to find out some workaround now with the PWD to check and see what can be done.
Okay.
Everything else is.
So